So this is a 4-bit binary to digital to analog converter, R to R, 4-bit it is. So how it is, say it is 4-bit, that is we are providing the inputs in terms of binary. Binary inputs, it is a 4-bit. It is given as the bits, it is mentioned as D3, D2, D1, D0, and these bits, these signals inputs, which is provided by the toggle switches, that is S3, S2, S1, S0, and this switches, it is a single pole double throw. So this one of the end will be connected to the ground. You can see here one of the end it is connected to the ground, and the another terminal, another end, it is connected to the VCC, that is V reference. Here we are providing V reference as plus 5 volt. Either it is mentioned as V reference or else we can mention it as VR. Okay. So here why it is known as R to R is, we are see R to R, in a sense if I take R as 1 kilo ohm, 2R value will be 2K. Similar to that, so 4 stages of R to R we have used here, since it is a 4-bit DAC. So this is a one R to R network, this is a one more, and this is a one more, and this is the last one. So altogether it is a 4-bit stage, R to R stage it is. So it is a 4-bit DAC, 4 inputs we are providing, binary inputs, and the output of your R to R ladder network, which is given to your op-amp, operational amplifier. Here we will be making use of 741 op-amp. So when I say 741 op-amp, it is a 8-pin IC. Out of 8 pin, 4th pin is connected to the minus VCC, that is minus 12 volt, and the 7th pin is connected to the plus 12 volt. And 2 terminals will be there. This is the inverting terminal, that is minus, which is assigned for 2nd pin, and plus is the non-inverting terminal, which is assigned for the 3rd pin. So since it is a voltage follower, directly your inverting terminal, it is connected to the output terminal 6th pin. Okay, so from the 6th pin we are observing the output. So whatever the input we give here through the toggle switches, it will be forwarded through this op-amp, and that can be observed at the output. So what happened here, we are providing the inputs in terms of digital, that will be converted using this active device, that is op-amp. So output of the op-amp will be getting in terms of analog. So digital to analog conversion we are going to see in this experiment. So here I have taken one example, like how you will be getting the analog output. So this is an example of the input data, binary data, that is D3, D2, D1, D0. I had given as 1, 0, 0, 0. For this, let us calculate what is the analog output voltage. Okay, so the formula to calculate the output voltage is V0 is equals to V reference, that is this particular voltage, V reference, into D3. See, D3 it is a MSB bit. So that bit is divided by 2 plus D2 next bit by 4, D1 by 8, D0 by 16. Okay. So here I had given D3 as 1 and all the other bits it is 0. So this will be 1. So it is 1 by 2. Rest all bits will be 0. So it is 0 plus 0 plus 0. So that into 5 volt. So what is it? 5 divided by 2, which is nothing but 2.5 volts. So this is a theoretical value for the input given 1000. So we are going to see the circuit connections now. You can see here in this circuit board, this is an op-amp, 8-pin op-amp, to which this is a plus 12 volt, and here it is minus 12 it is provided, and this is the output terminal. This is a 2R, that is 2K. Here we have taken R as 1 kilo ohm. This is a 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is 2 kilo ohm. 2 kilo, 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 1 kilo, and through 2R, 2K, it has been grounded. Okay, so this is 1 R to R. Next one, this is a one more, and this is a 4th one. So 4-bit DAC we are using. And you can see here, these resistors, the one end of the resistor, it is connected to the toggle switches. So these are the toggle switches terminals. So these terminals will be connected to your digital trainer kit. So this is a trainer kit. This is going to provide the digital input to the circuit, and from the circuit we will be obtaining the output that will be shown in the multimeter. So this is a multimeter we are using to see the output. I hope you got the connections now. So let us see. See, this is a MSB bit. So that is why this MSB is connected to here. So this is D3, D2, D1, D0. So D3 is connected to MSB. Next is D2. Next is D1. And this is the last bit LSB that is connected to the D0. Okay, so let us see. So I had given an example of taking D3, D2, D1, D0 as 1, 0, 0, 0. For this, let us check what is the output. Theoretically, we are getting 2.5 volt as the output. Theoretically, we are getting 2.5 volt as the output. So let us see the practical value. D3 bit is high. So I am making D3 bit is high through this toggle switch. Okay, so it is 1, 0, 0, 0. For this, I am getting the practical value as 2.18. Okay, so for this I am getting the practical value as 2.18 volt. Similarly, see, since it is a 4 bit, there will be binary total 16 combinations will be there, that is from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is the for 4 bit, these many combinations will be there, that is from 1st to 16. So here I had been calculated the theoretical value, that is for 0 it is 0, 1 it is 0.3125, that is using this formula. V0 is equals to VR into D3 by 2 plus D2 by 4 plus D1 by 8 plus D0 by 16. Okay, so if you substitute all the values, you will be getting these theoretical values for the respective combinations. So let us see the theoretical value for 0. For 0 you can see here all the switches it is off. So for 0 it is 0. For 1 the theoretical value it is 0.3125. For that we are getting 0.36 as the practical value. Similarly 0010 we are getting 0.625 as the theoretical value. You can note here we are getting 0.60. Next is 0011. 0011 we are getting 0.95. Theoretical value is 0.9375. Next is 4. 4 is 1.25 is the theoretical value. 1.15 is the practical value. Next is 0101. 1.5625 is the theoretical value. 1.51 is the practical value. Similarly, you can observe the output for all the 16 combinations and you can note down all the practical values. So this is regarding the digital to analog converter using 4-bit binary input from the toggle switches. Thank you.